It is one of land's latest landforms, and it could fair speak us wherever to see for testimony of lifetime on Mars. The language-twisting volcano Isle of Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'apai, blown out of the Silent Sea in 2015, and its form has been developing always with as it has been lashed and bashed by wave propagation. Scientists are observer the sluggish soil erosion really close. They believe they see the remnants of such a water supply birthed islands on the red earth. If how is real, it is very scheming. On land, we aware how where you get sub-volcano processes, you as well really frequently get facility how supporting microbe communities. Which the researchers see happening at Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'apai, HTHH, thus may be a type of pattern to assist them no superior the water supply environmental on previous Mars or, by expansion, if the facility might as well include been favorable for the initiate of easy lifetime. Same mind was how we might be capable to use acceptance of these various of landforms to be an sign of paleo water stories, depths and longevities on the red earth, told Dr. Jim Garvin, head scholar at the U.S. Area Agents, NASA, Goddard Area Flying Center. The isle grew out of the Hunga volcanic mountain, a mount how is all but immersed in the southwestern Silent in among the Tonga archipelago. The new terrain came in type in which is called a Surtsian ejection, mentioned following a really such isle named Surtsey in the polar Atlantic, off Iceland, in 1963-7. In such events, hot lava upcoming in pin in common cold sea water causes a forcible explosion of ash and fate patchy. The content later collects at the sea shallow, shaping a tufa conical how in HTHH's instance is more than rather than 100 meter top. But scientists do not wait it to adhere about ever. Tempest activity should ultimately disassemble it. Yet, the could get few many decades, and scientists plan to use top-resolution Sputnik image to look the trial each move of the path. Really, the is the at first such a isle in the contemporary area era to spew love the and not once vanish, giver scientists an unparalleled type of orbital of HTHH's previous lifetime and evolutionary. We'll end up in period lapse photo of the isle departure via its erosion loop, and how will offer us later a succession to go see for on Mars. And if we see it where, later perhaps how tells us how water supply on the Earth in several of these places was tens to hundreds of meters profound, and this length quite surely to do the identical erosion job. Water supply and period are significant product composition for lifetime. So too are in power resource and a delivery of nutritional. On land, all these facility are found at volcano vents on the sea story. Microbe communities construct up about the inorganic rich water how pour of cracks in hot fate. And the is one of the reasons why scientists are tasking satellites now to see for testimony of such history operation on the red earth. Mars is now ivory dry, but it was not ever how path, and if it had volcano system such to HTHH or Surtsey, later his remnant could so be amongst the top places to email a wanderer to searching for signs of kind biological. Dr. Garvin told, hydrothermal system on Mars include length been implemented as creature a large place both of for perhaps possessing had lifetime or making mineral deposits and landforms how could retain it. We say on biosignature conservation capacity, he's one of the real the Mars 2020 wanderer how NASA is flyer will go see to. His fellow Dr. Dan Slayback has been hard to job out how length precisely HTHH might be in us. The Sputnik image observable really fast disintegration previous on. If how tendency had extended we would include anticipated maybe a 6-year life expectancy, but at on the 6-month mark, the bet of changing diminished, the Goddard scholar said the AGU meet. A easy line fit to all of our information present gives us a 26-30 year life expectancy.